Rampas is about accessibility. The entire building is accessible by ramps. So you can walk along a gentle slope and get to every part of the building and every floor. We designed Rampas as a retirement home in Barriera, Portugal, and we wanted to put a special emphasis on accessibility in our design because that is predominantly the biggest challenge facing the elderly. There's something nice about being able to get out and walk anywhere in the building without feeling challenged in any way. The project site had a 30-degree inclination going from west to east, and we found a way to incorporate this natural slope into the architecture of the building that would also help with the accessibility aspect of it. The maximum allowable inclination for ramps according to building code is 10:1, which is an extremely shallow slope. It is so shallow that to cover the height of a standard floor, you would need a ramp that is at least 30 meters long, and that is quite a large distance to walk just to get from one floor to the other. Of course, if we could start from a higher point, we could reduce this distance, but then the rooms in the lower level would not be accessible. However, if we design the building in a way that the units step down consecutively at a 10:1 slope, we can cut this distance by half. And this format continues for every other floor, and every other ramp will also be cut by half. So now, not only the architecture of the building follows the topography of the project site, resulting in a less extensive construction, but it will also be more accessible because of it. So it all works out.